uma kuukuthi uyathinta uthinta endaweni eyodwa njalo mawukuthi leyo ndawo eyodwa wrong ngeke uze kwenzeke lutho kodwa ungathinta few times mawukuthi uthinta endaweni right kuzenzeka izinto exceptional yabona success is not guaranteed without spiritual alignment, without spiritual connection, without spirituality and spiritual awareness. Success is not guaranteed. Awukwazi ungenza kanjani ukuthi kuphikwe wena? Ungenza kanjani ukuthi izinto zifavor wena? Khona izinto ungenayo ipower yazo ukuzenza. Ungenza kanjani ukuthi ube sendaweni right ngesikhathi esiright? Lezo zinto lezo zi beyond reasoning yomuntu. And mangikhuluma nge-spiritual connection angikhulumi ngokusonta la. Angikhulumi ngokuthandaza la. Ngikhuluma ngoku-understanda ukuthi wena uyi-energy. There's a universal and cosmic energy and wena uxhumana kanjani naleyo energy. What you need to do ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha othi ngenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Sibeke eceleni nje indaba yokusonta nendaba yokuthandaza yabo. Sibeke eceleni ngoba uthandaza but without an understanding still nje akukho okuzoshintsha lapho because naku ukuthandaza kudinga ukuthi ube nokuqonda ukuthi wenzani yabo because indaba yokuba la emhlabeni it's all about energy management. It's all about energy management. We are emotional beings, ne? Emotions njengoba singama emotional being, it is an energy in motion. Yini ongayenza engekho ama emotional charge ingekho. Ayikho into ongayenza engekho emotional charge. Okuwukuthi impilo yakho yonke irulwa yi-energy. We are in energy. Yonke into is about energy. Before into uyibone manifesta ku physical, isi matter. Isuke iqale kuphi on an energetic level. So uma ngabe ukuthi you did not get it right lapho, kuyinkinga kakhulu. Because how long it takes ukuthi imatter ishintshe imatter. How long it takes ukuthi imatter ishintshe imatter. It can even take forever. Can even take forever. So kumele to understand ukuthi spiritual connection, spiritual alignment sibalekile. Cabanga ukuthi uma ngase uthathe le energy le ozama ngayo kangaka umuntu ama business uku-applyela ama promotion noma uku-applyela umsebenzi uhamba uyifaka lana uyagembula uyabona leli energy nje leyo ukuzama okuzanywayo. Yabona lo energy leyo ngitshela ukuthi mina uma ngase kuthiwa uyayithatha uyayifocusa on the spiritual side of things, konke lokho kunye things can just fall into place. Yabo umuzothi ke asibe practically ke ukuthi what do we talk about if we are talking about spiritual alignment. Angithi ngishilo ngathi uku-understand ukuthi wena you are in energy. Yabo you are in energy, a very deep energy consciousness. Yabo uma ngase angithi uyabona ukuthi kunento ekuthiwa umuntu uhlukene igabe ezintathu ukuthi umuntu uhlukene ufike kube body, mind and spirit. Yabo lokho ka body physical i final destination leyo manifestation of the mental and the spiritual. Angithi yabo do what we call a reverse engineering. what you call in reverse engineering, suka la kubhudi because yazi khona umuntu ongasho angamuhle kanjani sola ukuthi nje kodwa nje izinto nje azimambeli kahle sothi akamuhle umuntu wakhona uyazithanda uclean kodwa nje kunento nje ngaye nje off yabo off nje ngaye omunye uthola ukuthi ugqoka kahle uyinsizwa kabe ezithandayo yabona kodwa nje izinto zakhe zenza kanzima yabo khona umuntu owenza izinto kuze kuba ngathi lezi zinto akazideserve indlela ayiyona akazideserve lezi zinto lezi zinto ezenzeka zisangene kakhulu umuntu right umbheka kodwa why kwenzeka kanjena kuyena yabo so indaba ka physically i-final destination ayisizi ngokungakho akugona la izinto eziphekwa khona shusha asihlehleke reverse engineering to the mental ku mental uxhumanisa physical no spiritual shothi la ku mental kumele kube clear lapho kumele kube khona iharmony lapho kungabi khona idiscord so iharmony uyi-acquireisha kanjani la ku mental obviously i-answer yokuqala lapho izothini meditation and mindfulness eyokuqala i-answer lapho kuze kube khona i-discord kuze kube khona iharmony not i-discord because it's just like a fireworks ngoba the neurons are just firing umuntu wakhona uyacabanga yabona nje ucabanga nge-fire station le ukuphuma khona kushana khona owire not even no wire ama-cables ukhahlakahla nje ayikho it ulindele ukuthi kwenzekaleni-ke kwi-reality uma ngabe une-discord la ne-chaos la engqondweni ulindele ukuthi kwenzekeleni kwi-physical reality angithi uyazi ukuthi imoto ayizidrive imoto mubuka imoto ake ngithi nansi imoto iyahamba le moto ihamba umuntu confused akazi ukuthi uyapi uconfused ngale ndlela akekho even grounded ubona ngemoto ihambisa ngani awusho ukuthi imoto esangene uthi wena umshayeli osangene hayi imoto so manje ke nempilo yakho ke uma i-discord ila ingqondo yakhe i-reality uma ngabe kukhona i-chaos la engqondweni i-reality izoba i-chaos nayo ngokwayo hayi ukuthi i-reality izoba i-chaos by default i-chaos ngoba engqondweni kwi-chaos vele so i-meditation i-right kakhulu for ukuthi kube khona leyo harmony khona uzokwazi ukubona ukuthi okay meditation mhlambe angithi uyabona ukuthi uma uthi awazi ukumeditate kanjani yini meditation yini mindfulness should the very same effort osukuyenza ukuthi lokhu uhamba uzama iziphiwo zabantu uhlanganisa izinto akuhlangani why don't you do the research on how to meditate and like do your due diligence and do it why you don't spend your time there because kunezinto bafethu oyicontroller la i-remote yabo i-TV ngisho ungayibamba nje uthi uzama ukushintsha i-channel uyibambe i-TV ngeke izishintshe i-channel uhlehle uze la kwi-remote bese kushintsha ilento i-channel easy khona into emele uyibambe yabo bese uyabuya ke ususukile lapha nama negative thoughts ke kumele ukuthi uphume kona already vele ngoba vele uyazi ukuthi senzani yabo ma negative thoughts as a man thinks so is he bese uyabuya uzalana kwi energy management wenzani la kwi aura yakho yabo wenzani la purifying your aura yini izinto zenzayo like balancing chakras it has to do with energy pranayama it has to do with energy izinto eziharness energy ngeke ngakhuluma ngazo ku live izinto eziharness energy ezenza ukuthi energy hlezi ihlanzekile bathing with other stuffs going in nature like lezinto it's all about energy management ukuphila la emhlabeni it's all about energy management because impilo iyi-energy nje ukuthi lento oyibonayo wena kwi-reality i-energy esikhukhiwe yahlanganiswa yaba i-matter kanje and then usubona i-final product yabo kodwa ikhona la iphekwa khona kwa-mental and spiritual domain so it's all about lapho ukuthola izinto right lapho uma sekuthiwa imizamo oyizamayo physically uyizama on a mental side of things and spiritual side of things ngavele nje zonke izinto zihambe nje ngendlela ekumele ngabe zihamba ngayo